It's a girl, Emanuela, of course, and I'm coming to you guys with a video on a little bit of things that I bought, like a few things. It's not even like a haul or anything. It's just 3 items that I purchased yesterday, and I absolutely love them so much. And I bought them because there was a sale, because you know a girl likes to shop on a budget. And I saw this and I was just like, I have to get it, because who am I if I am not giving back to the community, you know? And on an affordable budget, like, yeah, like, I don't know. That's just me. Let's get to it. I'm weird. So weird today. Okay, so the first product I want to talk about is Revlon, y'all. Revlon colorstay. Like, I know y'all thinking, oh my god, drugstore. Yes, girl, drugstore. And it was, I forgot the price, y'all. I really did. Because yesterday, I had, no, not yesterday, the day before that, I had told myself I wanted to go on a $50 shopping spree. Well, not shopping spree, but try to do a video on only purchasing a whole bunch of things and only having a $50 budget. And guys, that didn't happen. Like, I don't even know how much I spent, but I know it was not no damn $50, and I'm so pissed. I didn't even look at my account. I said, you know what, it is what it is, you know? But I'll put the price down below. And I actually purchased this because the Revlon line was buy one get 50% off, and I wanted this so bad because my sister has the 355 almond, and I love the texture of the makeup, how it feels on your skin, but it was too red. Like, I was at the beach recently, so it might look a little tan, you know, a little tan to your girl, like summertime fun. But I'm weird. I'm really weird. Anyways, and so I was like, you know what? Let's go to the store and let me go buy me the kind of color that would fit me better, you know? And I ended up buying $375, which, you know, I personally always thought that makeup, when you get to the higher color, you end up with a darker foundation. But I mean, it turns out that no, it's nothing like that. Some makeup just have different tones in it, different undertones in it, and you know, this one actually worked really well for me. $375 Carmel toffee. And it's weird because I've gotten another makeup that had the name toffee in it, and I think it's the Maybelline matte makeup, and I hate that one. I hope I don't end up hating this one, because I used to love the other one, but this one, oh my god, this is the second day in a row me using it. And I don't wear makeup. I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. I wear makeup, I don't even know, like once every 2 months. Yeah, guys, my kind of personality cannot have makeup on, because I will be creasing everywhere. Like, I laugh and smile way too much. I mean, you used to see me at work, people think I'm like cracked, and I'm just like, no, I'm just happy sometimes. And sometimes I'm just like, hey, what's up, how y'all doing, you know? But you know, I got this and I'm so excited. I feel like I'm gonna wear this every day. Look at this contour, too much, right? Too freaking much. And look at this pimple right here, and it hurts. And I think it's because of the biotin, because y'all, I've been on biotin and I haven't been breaking out how I usually would be breaking out, but I mean, I can't complain. But my blending technique is disgusting. Trash. I need assistance. Who wanna be somebody need to come over here and do my makeup. So yes, guys, I love this makeup. It looks great. I have it on my face today, and I mean, it just gives you such, for me, I love how it looks on my skin. I love it. So the next thing that I ended up purchasing, and this was the 50% off, was this lip gloss. So I bought this lip gloss because I heard that it's the dupe for Rihanna's lip gloss. And y'all know, girl, your girl looks good on a budget, okay? And I like to keep it natural. I like to be I don't know. Like, I want to be able to jump in the beach, jump in a pool, and not have to worry about my face running, which is what happened on Saturday. I actually went to the beach, and then we went to the pool, and oh my god, y'all, my makeup was just on my face. It didn't move, nothing. I just came out the water, and I was just like, oh. You know, when you come out the water, you want to squint your eyes and look like a little cat. That's what happened. That's what happened. And that's why I like that makeup and this lip gloss. Y'all, this lip... As if my lips are not freaking glossy enough. And mind you, big lips, natural. Kylie Jenner, natural. Natural. I mean, that's petty. I shouldn't have said that. Should I edit that out? No. I like her makeup routines, though. Well, the one I saw in the book. And then, I got the ultimate liner. I mean, can y'all guess what liner this is without me, like, telling y'all right now? I know y'all know what it is, because if a black girl don't have this in her freaking makeup bag, I'm gonna have to question you. I'm gonna question you, because how you don't have this? How you don't have this? Y'all, this is the NYX lip liner in the color. Let me wait. Let me just... I'm gonna wait for y'all to figure out what color this is, because y'all all should have this color in your fucking bag. Camera, you better... These girls need to know the name. You better zoom in and focus. Why aren't you focusing? Okay, well, guys, it's mahogany. And if you don't have mahogany in your collection, I don't know what to tell you. Because it just gives you that perfect... I want to make sure it gets in the bottom because you can't really see it. I just want to let y'all know, like, that mahogany gives you life. It gave me a lot of life. Guys, later. Have a great one. Bye.